Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can create an account on Good Coffee, Great Coffee. Let's get started. So first things first, you will want to visit either the web browser or the official app, which is available on iOS or Android. Once you're there, go ahead and simply click sign up or the register option. And once you've done so, you will need to simply fill in some personal information such as your full name, email address, a password of course, and a phone number or an email address. Now once you've done that, you have to agree to the terms and conditions, and furthermore, you will need to verify your phone number or email address. Now once you've done all that, simply go ahead, verify your email address, and then log into your brand new account. It is as simple as that. It is a very easy process. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.